Hello everyone and welcome again to How to Bank. Hope our videos are helping you to make banking easy. In case you are visiting our channel for first time, we at How to Bank make banking videos to make banking experience simple. Please do subscribe our channel and share with your friends and relatives. My name is Deepak and today we are going to see how a demand draft issued online looks like. Few days ago, we had created a video for how to request and demand draft online from HDFC Net Banking. You can click on the link on top right corner of this video to see how to request DD online for HDFC Net Banking. So this is the demand draft. It has got two parts. One is details about sender and next is the actual demand draft. As you can see, I had requested demand draft for myself and it arrived very quickly. You can deposit this in bank. So this was the part 2 video of our how to request demand draft online from HDFC Net Banking. Hope this video helps you to understand how online DD issuing works and how the DD looks like. Have safe banking. Do not share your user ID and password with anyone. Keep your banking details confidential. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel and have a wonderful day.